So you want to grow on TikTok, but you have no idea what to post. I'm going to cover the top 10 things that you can do on TikTok right now, whether you're with someone or you're doing it alone, and it's guaranteed to grow your account. Coming up next. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, especially if you want more videos like this. Let's dive into it. Number one is dance challenges. If you have a specific style of dance or genre and you want to showcase to the world, hop on the latest dance trends. People are guaranteed to like your video and share your video, especially if they find it engaging. Number two is lip syncing. Find a popular audio clip, song, and lip sync along with it, adding your own creative twist and expressions to make it entertaining. Number three, my favorite, comedy skits. Act out short comedy skits or skit series where you play different characters using clever dialogue and physical comedy to create humorous moments. And sliding in at number four, fashion transformation. Create a video where you showcase different outfits ideas by transforming from a casual look to a stylish one using clever editing techniques. Number five, the famous makeup tutorials. Share a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve different makeup looks, focusing on specific techniques, products, and tips for your viewers. Number six, DIY crafts. Demonstrate the process of creating different DIY crafts, such as room decor, handmade accessories, or personalized gifts using easily available materials. Number seven, fitness or workout routines. Everybody wants to get in shape. Share your fitness journey or demonstrate different workout routines, providing tips, modifications, and motivation to your followers. 8. Time-lapse art. Create a time-lapse video of your artwork, whether it's drawing, painting, or sculpting, showcasing the process from start to finish. That is smart. 9. Who doesn't like magic tricks? Perform simple magic tricks using everyday objects, revealing the secrets behind them and engaging your followers in the wonders of illusion. Number 10, another one of my favorites, is inspirational or motivational talks. Share uplifting messages, personal stories, I'd like to say testimonies, or motivational advice on various topics such as self-improvement, goal setting, or overcoming challenges. Hey guys, this is the top 10 things that you can do by yourself or even with someone on TikTok, especially if you want to grow your account. Comment below, let me know if you are already doing some of these ideas or if you're gonna try something that's on this list. I would love to hear your feedback and let me know what other types of videos on here you would like to see. All right guys, until next time, I will see you on the next video.